Steve here, ShinRC, and I want to show you something here, guys. This is my Walker Bulldog. This is the old version with the antenna, but I upgraded to a later version control box. But one of my motors was burning out. It was arcing. The brush actually broke off the inside the motor on the comm. And look at this. The gears are shot. Here's another gearbox. It don't even turn. It's so shot. Teeth are missing. They go all seized up. These are them cheap aluminum looking ones that they used to come with. They're all rounded out. Anyhow, I didn't have any gearboxes but these plastic ones here. This one's for, I think, the Tiger one. I'm not sure. But it looks like the same gearbox with a shorter axle. So what I'm going to have to do is put this axle in there from the original gearbox. I had another one here that already had the long axle for this Walker Bulldog. So I put that in, and I had to switch the motor. These were left over from my Leopard one I just got, the latest one I got. And I have to put another motor because it got burnt out. So I'm going to put this motor here inside this gearbox here, but I have to pull this axle out and try to put this one in here so it fits on the Walker here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, I got to take this one apart here. And I'm going to try to put this beauty in there. I got to take out these screws here. The reason I'm doing this, I don't want to buy new gearboxes. I looked for them. First of all, they're hard to find, and now they look like they're expensive. Jacked up the prices on these tank parts these days. I gotta get this apart. Easier said than done. Of course. It's gonna be fun putting it back together. This one here's got to come off. I'm going to hit this off with like a hammer. There she is, all put back together. Now we just got to solder up this motor here. This one here. I'm going to solder it up and then put it in. And we'll see how she runs. Okay, I got the motors in. Everything's ready. Let's see if it works. Looks like everything's working properly. I'm going to put it in the tank, put the tracks on, and we'll see how it goes. let's test it out on the floor with the lid off here, just to see if it's working. Perfect. It's working like a beauty. Now let's put the tank top back on and take it for a little spin. Alright, let's put this sucker back together. Gearbox swap in the Walker Bulldog was a success. Works like new again. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please leave a comment and a like, and I appreciate the support. See you next time, guys.